Hello, my name is Carlos Arvan and I'm here to show you how to do a simple pivot table so that you can organize your expenses. So I have here open one of my credit cards or my main credit card, and I'm just gonna download activities since last statement. Okay, so that's 1 month. I'm just gonna click here where it says download. Now this is for Chase. All are usually the same. So you're gonna have one option that says spreadsheet. Sometimes it says only CSV or Excel only. Either one is fine. Just click download. Okay, so here I'm just gonna put it on the download folder. And I'm gonna just put this over here. So here we have the folder. You can click and open it directly from here. So just click open. So now it's opening Excel. Okay, so let's maximize this. Okay, by the way, let's see, I have this thing here. Let me just add real quick a column so it's easier to read. A quick way to adjust the column. So click here on the upper left end, which selects everything, and then you can just double click any of them and it will do all of them. Okay, so again, this is only for 1 month. So I'm gonna first select everything. So you can do it two ways. You can click insert and then select, or you can select it beforehand. So let's just do it. Just follow along. So go to insert and go recommended pivot tables. Okay, so now it's asking me for a range. So just select the whole range. Okay, then click OK. Now what it's going to do is going to give me some recommendations. And this is really cool, right? So if you just want it, but this is just putting it alphabetically. I don't want that. I want it organized like this. Let's see, what else do we have? Count of this. No, I want dollars. I want sum. So the one that I really like is this one. So I'm going to click OK. All right, so there is my pivot table. Now, you're probably thinking, yeah, but that's not very useful. So first thing, so let's clean this up a little bit. Let's put here currency in dollars, right? So, okay. So when you click on it, it's going to open a menu here on the right. And you can put, for example, well, I want more detail. So you can click type, right? But that's not very useful. What about description? That's very useful. This is what I want. What I want is to know, okay, food and drinks, why did I spend $273? Okay, I went to all these different places, got it. And by the way, these you can open and close them, all right? And if this was for the whole year, okay, then all you need to do is you can put here per month, right? And just divide it by 12. So you put the equal sign or the plus sign, either one. So you see how it showed up there. And then you select that amount divided by 12. Remember that we care really about the category, right? Because you see each one has a specific thing. So I have PetSmart $11.95. Well, I don't spend in PetSmart $11.95 every month. So what you really want is the categories, okay, when you do the per month. But this one is already on a per month basis, so that works. Okay, so again, this is a quick and easy way to organize your expenses. And that's it. 5 minutes. Thank you.